Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how to make a paper pyramid. It is very simple and easy. You just have to take A4 size paper. After that, you have to fold a paper vertically. Means you have to take other side of the paper and attach with the another side of the paper in this way that the paper will be vertically. So this is the number one step. Fold a paper vertically. I'm going to open the page now. You can see only single line inside the paper. So you have to fold it in a same way. This is number one steps. Now look at step number 2. In step number 2, you have to take the lower section of the paper and attach with the above section of the paper. So in this way, we will join the two sides of the paper together in a horizontal way. This is step number 2. I'm going to open this page and I'll show you. There are 2 lines and 4 boxes inside the paper. 2 boxes on above side of the paper and 2 boxes at the lower section. So this is step number 3. Take a little section of a paper and attach with the above section of the paper. I have opened the paper and you can see there is a slash inside the paper. This is step number 3. The steps I am going to tell you, these are basic steps. Same thing you will do on the opposite side of the paper. Take a little section of the paper from the lower side of the paper and attach with the above side of the paper. Here I am going to show you step number 3 and step number 4. So how many steps we have done? We have done 4 steps. This is step number 5. From step number 5 till onward, these steps are the base of pyramid. I mean, if you will do these steps very nice way, then your pyramid will look so beautiful, because these are the bases, and these steps can make your pyramid beautiful. This is step number 6. Now fold a paper as we have done in step number 1. Fold a paper vertically. Same thing you will do at the lower section of the paper, and same thing you will do at the above section of the paper. Now take a piece of paper just next to the folded paper and put your finger in the center, so this will make the top of the pyramid. Look at here, I have put my finger, so now this is the top of pyramid. And a piece of paper just underneath the base of the pyramid, you just have to take that paper and fold it, so it will hold the upper section of the paper. Look at here, this is the lower section of a paper and I am going to fold it on above section of the paper, so it will hold it, it will make the shape, it will manage the shape of the pyramid. Same thing which I have done in front of you, same thing I'm going to do with the other side of the paper. Look at here, this is the last step in paper pyramid. Same thing as I have told you before, the little section of the paper just underneath it, you have to take it and fold it on the above section of the. So Alhamdulillah, here we have done our pyramid by paper. So this is the finishing time. Here I am going to slide my finger on each side of the pyramid, so the four sides of the pyramid will have their proper shape and they will hold everything together. So here we have done our pyramid, and this pyramid topic is studied in grade 1 as well as in grade 6. This is the top view of pyramid. This is number 1 side of pyramid, number 2 side, number 3 side and number 4 side. So these are 4 sides of paper pyramid and this is the inner section of paper pyramid. So our paper pyramid has done. So please like my video and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.